Hi everyone, it's Dr. Jason Hawrelak here. I'm just here to invite you to an upcoming webinar. It's going to be on how to fix your microbiome. Initially, we're going to cover what a healthy microbiota actually looks like. We're going to look at some of the recent research linking, dysbiotic states of the ecosystem with new disease states, some of which I never would have considered to be associated with microbiome health in the past. We'll look at some of the key pharmaceuticals and food chemicals that we might be exposing ourselves to that are causing harm to our microbiome that we really should be avoiding. And we'll highlight at the end some specific foods and strategies we can take on board to nurture the beneficial members of our ecosystem and enhance our ecosystem diversity. Hi everyone, it's Dr. Jason Hawrelak here. I'm here to invite you to a webinar I'm doing on the use of probiotics in the management of irritable bowel syndrome, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and intestinal methanogen overgrowth. So SIBO and EMO and IBS, the acronyms of this particular talk. We're going to be covering the best probiotics we should be using to achieve positive results in irritable bowel syndrome, both constipation, predominant IBS, as well as diarrhea, type irritable bowel syndrome. We'll be looking at whether probiotics really should be avoided in the treatment of SIBO, and if not, which ones we should be using to treat this condition. And we'll also be finishing off looking at the most appropriate probiotics we can use to target the excess production of methane in the gut, as well as overgrowth of hydrogen-sulfide gas producing bacteria as well. So I hope you can join me.